I'm going to show you how I make these delicious carnivore, scrumptious, crunchy, juicy meatballs. So I made these meatballs the other day with a pound of burger, a pound of sausage, 4 strips of bacon, and a little garlic and salt and pepper. Then after I rolled them, I put them on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper and flash froze them for about 2 hours, and then I tossed them in this bag and back in the freezer. Flash freezing helps keep them from sticking when you want to put them in a bag and freeze them for later use. Now I have them cooking in my Ninja Foodie, and I've got about 4 minutes left on this one. I cooked them for 10 minutes first, then I turned them over, and I'm cooking them for another 5 minutes. Okay, meatballs are done. Yummy. All right, so you can see that these are nicely cooked through, just 15 minutes from frozen to finished. And then I went ahead and made a little sauce with some sour cream and a little bit of tapatio, a couple dashes of that, depending on how hot you want it, and regular full-fat sour cream, a couple tablespoons, a couple dashes, and a little bit of salt and garlic in this. All right, so here's the finished. I went ahead and let it cool off for just a few minutes. I'm going to dip this in the sauce. Salty. A little hot. Salty, super moist, crispy on the outside, nice and tender and juicy in the middle. It's a good lunch.